Hello everyone and welcome to this guide on how to create a budget on Rocket Money. The first thing you'll need to do is to open the app, whether it's on your mobile device or on your browser, and then from the main dashboard, find the budget setup option. This could be either setup budgeting or budgeting, but once you find it, you can review Rocket Money's estimated monthly income from your linked account and adjust it to the actual take-home pay. The next, you'll need to confirm recurring expenses. The app will guide you through adding bills, utilities, subscriptions, and other recurring expenses. Review the detected items and manually add any missing ones. The next, you'll need to review and add a buffer. See the summary of your total recurring expenses and consider adding a recommended 5% buffer for a safety net. The next, you'll need to create category budgets. So after the initial setup, choose to set up category budgets. Select the categories such as groceries, dining, or transportation. Then enter the monthly amount you want to allocate for each, adjusting as needed. After that, what you'll need to do next is to monitor and adjust. Your budget will appear on the dashboard showing your remaining spending. Regularly check your progress and adjust categories or amounts as your spending or financial situation changes. By following this guide, you'll be able to create a budget on Rocket Money.